Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Sabby. Hoping you're doing well. In today's DIY, we're going to do something amazing using mirrors. So please watch to the end to see the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. Kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. The round mirror measures 12 inches. I started by arranging the smaller mirrors round so as to ensure they all fit perfectly before turning them. Since the mirrors will need a stronger hold were joined, I opted to use popsicle sticks. I then started gluing them together using contact glue and a hot glue gun for a stronger finish. I would like to appreciate the 296 of you. Your support means a lot and I promise you more amazing DIY projects. I left the glue to dry well for 8 hours before turning the mirror up. I used a hot glue gun to glue down the Bling rhinestone where the mirrors were joined for a beautiful finish. I then cleaned the mirror using a glass cleaner. I really love the outcome, guys. This mirror looks so pretty on my wall. You too can achieve this look, and I must mention that you can use any other strong glue like silicone glue. In our second project, I used these small mirrors which measure 2.8 inches each, and they were 20 in total. I arranged all the mirrors in a pattern I desired, then turned them over for gluing. In this project, I also used popsicle sticks to join the mirrors together. Some of the mirrors got crushed on transit but still worked perfectly on this project. Pressing down the sticks helps the glue to dry well, and after I was done, I left the mirrors to dry for about 5 hours. I then turned them and glued the 4 mirrors up. I used a single string of bling and covered all the edges of the mirrors. I then cleaned them. It looks so expensive. It can be designed in 2 ways, but I love it more on my TV stand. Let me know where you'd like it placed. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Let me know which mirror you like more in the comment section below, and please stop by my other videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Also put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Bye.